Hi, this is Michael from Ethereum. You first need to know that when an Ethereum wallet is created, the address is calculated after the seed phrase. So this tutorial is about double checking that the address and the seed phrase engraved on your wallet match. Be the first person to break the heat-sealed plastic bag. This guarantees that it has not been tampered with. Then check that the last digits of the address on the wallet match those printed on the plastic bag. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. In this tutorial, we use MetaMask as an example. Install the MetaMask browser extension from scratch. Disconnect from the internet. Import an existing wallet using your seed phrase from the back of your material wallet. Create a strong password for the new wallet. Now you have your material wallet replicated on your device. Check the account details on this new wallet and make sure the address matches the one of your material wallet. That guarantees that your seed phrase corresponds with your address and funds can be withdrawable safely.